Hey, did you know you can easily create a flowchart in PowerPoint itself? Today, let's look at the 3-step process on how to make a flowchart using PowerPoint tools. Have your basic set of shapes ready. The basic set of shapes at the right side of your work slide will make your flowchart process super easy. You can either create the basic set of shapes or download it from the link below. Go to Insert, Shapes, select the required shapes. Now, do the styling of your choice. See? Similarly, I have created my basic set of shapes over here. Now we can move on to create the actual flowchart. Here, I am going to need 2 oval shapes, which I am going to duplicate using Ctrl D. Rectangle, parallelogram and diamond, one each. Now, let's arrange the shapes. After arranging the shapes, let's align the shapes. On selecting the shapes, go to Shape Format, Align, Align Center. To connect these shapes, let's add in arrows. Go to Insert, Shapes, select the required arrow from Lines. Inserting the text box would be the next step. For this, select the shape you want to insert the text. Simply double-click the shape. Now add in the text. Do the same with rest of the shapes too. And your customized flowchart is all set to go. Looking for more PowerPoint tips and updates to boost your productivity? Well, Presenters Arena is the right place for you. Kindly like, subscribe and turn on notification as it keeps us motivated to bring more to you. See you at the next video.